Is your Delonghi Magnifica S acting up? You know, malfunction light flashing, volumes completely out of whack, or do you simply want to start from scratch? The solution here is always to start with a factory reset. Hi everyone, this is Colin and you're on Cafe Lista. Today we are going to see how to reset your Magnifica S to its original settings. And you will see, it's very simple, very fast, but for a strange reason, this procedure remains almost impossible to find on the internet. But I will tell you exactly how to do it. But first, as you might know, this reset will erase all your customization, beverage volumes, temperature, and so on. Everything will go back to how it was the day you unpacked the machine. So that's the goal, but just beware of it. Here, it's peculiar since the Magnifica S has a power button at the back, and you will see it's crucial for the manipulation. So step 1, prepare the machine. First, turn off the machine with the front button, but leave it plugged in. Then we will turn off with the rear switch. So we go to the position 0. Now that the machine is turned off with the back button, you will press simultaneously the front power button and the single espresso button. Keep your fingers pressed on those two buttons without releasing them now, and turn back the machine with the rear switch to the position 1. If it's done properly, you will see the control panel that light up entirely. All the lights will flash, then the two small lights here at the bottom also will turn green. And there you go, that's it, your Magnifica S is reset. So it's always a good thing to do when you're not sure you've made a mistake or you want to start on a clean slate. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If it helped you, please like the video, it helps us enormously. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming maintenance tips. And by the way, you can tell me in the comments if you're interested in this kind of short video on a really specific problem. I have several other topics in mind like malfunctions, express cleaning, calibration, but I wanted to know if you like the format. And if you want to master all the settings on your Magnifica S, I have prepared a complete guide that you can download in the description. It's free, it's easy to get, you should check it out. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you soon. Hope you have a good week. Ciao.